Welcome to another Exchange 2016 video. I'm Ed. In this video we're going to take a look at creating the X-Test user account, which you can use firstly if you're running SCOM, and secondly you can use it in like your scripting tests, for example, for checking Outlook connectivity or OA connectivity. And obviously, if you're running coexistence, the account will sit on the higher version of Exchange versus on the lower version. Now, by default, you don't have that account, so I want to show you if we go to Active Directory. And this account can be created as and when you need it. So if you create it today and delete it tomorrow, you can recreate it again. You can see that I already have an X-Test account, which I'm going to delete, right, to show you that I'm going to create one. So if you launch the Exchange Management Shell elevated and you navigate to the scripts folder where you've installed Exchange, you can type in New-TestCasConnectivityUser.ps1. Basically, if you type in the first few letters and then press tab, it will bring it up. So it's now going to obviously ask you to please enter a secure password. I'm just going to enter a default one. And now what this will do is we'll go and create that user account that you can use to test. So it's saying create test user basically on my main server. Click enter to continue. And there you can see it's the user principal name C4. So obviously, because I didn't wait for replication, it says that it hasn't been modified. So if we had to, you can see that that user is back again. Obviously, I was just too quick for Exchange, was too quick for Active Directory. So as you can see, that account is now there. You can change its password to whatever you want to change it to, and you can use this in your tests as example. So here, this is Exchange 2010 script, but I wanted to show you is if you specify the account, you can obviously specify the password. So if I wanted to use this account, I would add it in here, and then I'll obviously run this command. It will use that account to test. And that is how easy it is to create a test user account. Thank you for watching.